Get ready for some electrifying news. Tesla might be setting up shop in India as soon as 2025. Word on the street is that a deal is in the works, allowing Tesla to roll its sleek electric cars onto Indian roads starting next year. Picture this: the stage is set, the excitement palpable, and the anticipation in the air is electrifying. Insiders are whispering with a twinkle in their eyes, hinting that a monumental announcement is on the horizon, and all eyes are on the vibrant Gujarat Global Summit in January. Brace yourselves, EV enthusiasts, because it seems like Tesla is gearing up to make a splash in India, and the countdown to the big reveal has begun. Why these whispers are gaining momentum becomes evident when you peek into the potential hotspots for Tesla's grand entry. Gujarat, Maharashtra, and Tamil Nadu are in the spotlight, each boasting a vibrant landscape in the world of electric vehicles and export ecosystems. It's about finding the perfect synergy with regions already home with the rhythm of EV innovation. Gujarat, with its robust industrial infrastructure, is a prime contender. Maharashtra, a heavyweight in manufacturing, and Tamil Nadu, known for its automotive prowess, complete the trio. These states aren't just potential locations, they're the beating heart of India's electric vehicle evolution. The buzz around these regions aligning with Tesla's vision creates a narrative that promises a dynamic collaboration, where the sparks of innovation meet the electric future. The stage is indeed set at the vibrant Gujarat Global Summit, where the curtains might lift on Tesla's ambitious plans. The excitement is real. It's not just about a factory, it's about laying down the foundation for a new journey in India's electric journey. As we wait for the big reveal, one could not help but feel a pulse of anticipation, wondering which state will be the chosen canvas for Tesla's masterpiece. The whispers will soon be replaced by cheers or gasps, marking the moment when Tesla takes a giant leap into the Indian landscape. Get ready for a financial rollercoaster, folks, because Tesla is gearing up to make an entrance that comes with a hefty price tag. Brace yourselves, as the initial investment is not your run-of-the-mill figure. It's a jaw-dropping $2 billion. Tesla means business, and they're pulling out all the stops for their Indian venture. Tesla's vision for India goes beyond the sleek electric vehicles that have become their trademark. They're eyeing the vast landscape of the Indian automotive market to establish a hub for auto parts. Hold on to your hats, because the financial extravaganza doesn't stop at $2 billion. Tesla is on the verge of splurging up to a mind-boggling $15 billion. So as we buckle up for Tesla's Indian journey, remember, it's not just about the cars hitting the roads. It's about the dollars flowing into the Indian economic bloodstream, creating ripples that extend far beyond the assembly line. The financial spectacle that Tesla is bringing to India is nothing short of a blockbuster, and the stage is set for an economic performance of grand proportions. And guess what? They're considering making batteries right here in India to cut costs. Now, don't get too charged up just yet. Decisions aren't etched in stone. Elon Musk teased a significant investment back in June, and he's penciled a visit in 2024. We'll keep our ears to the ground for more updates. But why India? Well, breaking into India's EV market is a game changer for Tesla. With a rising interest in electric vehicles among the middle class, Tesla's entry is like hitting the EV jackpot. Prime Minister Modi is all in for domestic EV production, aligning with Tesla's plans. But here's the twist: India's EV market has been a slow starter, with only 1.3% of total passenger vehicles being battery-powered last year. However, with Tesla's magic touch, we might see a charged-up revolution on Indian roads soon. Now, the best part, locally produced Teslas might hit the streets for as low as $20,000. That's a steal for cutting-edge electric vehicles. India's also considering sweetening the deal by reducing import taxes for international EV players willing to set up shop locally. Guess what? Trade Minister Piyush Goyal dropped by Tesla's California plant and spilled the beans. Tesla is gearing up to nearly double its auto parts shopping spree from India to $1.9 billion this year. Hold on to your chargers, folks. Tesla's Indian journey is about to get real. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for more.